Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mansi, and for today's video I'll be talking about different makeup products for beginners under 500 rupees. So all these products I have been using from quite some time and they are really affordable and of really very good quality. So let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm, and this one I use as a primer. It works great as a primer because it has glycerin, and glycerin helps in keeping your makeup at place, and this works really good as a primer. And this I have been using from a really long time, मतलब मुझे around 2-3 years हो गए हैं जब से मैं ये use कर रही हूँ, and it is the most affordable and the best primer that I have ever used. So this one retails for 245 rupees, which I think is the best price for such a great primer, and it lasts for so long. So yeah, this is a really good primer, and especially for summers this is really nice because the consistency is very watery, so it's not that thick, so it's very light and it is amazing for summers. So, and especially for oily skin and sensitive skin, this is a really great primer. The next product that I'm going to talk about is this concealer palette. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This is their Cover Studio Ultra Base Concealer Palette, and ये concealer palette इतनी ज़्यादा like versatile है. You can use it for so many different purposes, to highlight and to conceal, to color correct, and also you can use it for contouring because there's a dark brown color as well. So ये बहुत ही affordable and काफ़ी अच्छी palette है. I use it for color correcting, and अगर आपको color correcting के लिए कोई palette चाहिए तो I think this is the best palette that you can have because this is super affordable. You are getting 8 different shades for just rupees 449. And I think this is a really great deal. And talking about their pigmentation, the pigmentation of these products are really good. So yeah, I will show it to you. So it's very pigmented, and also talking about the coverage, it gives a very good coverage. So right now also I have used this color corrector to conceal all my dark spots, and after that I use a foundation, and that's it. You don't need any other product. So the next one in this category is a foundation, and for the foundation I'll be talking about this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and this works for normal to oily skin. This is a really great foundation. I have been using it from such a long time, and this is like the best foundation that I've ever used because first thing that it is super matte, so it's great for oily skin. It does not clog your pores or leave your skin oily. That, and the coverage is also very good. It is not full coverage, but it gives medium coverage. So talking about the price of this foundation, it retails for 500 rupees, which is I think not that bad for such a great foundation, and the quantity is also quite a lot, so I think that is really good. And also it's super light, so it's really very good for daily use. Next product is a loose powder, and this one is also from Maybelline, and it's Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder, and this is like such a great loose powder, especially if you have oily skin, then तो आपके पास ये loose powder होना ही चाहिए to set your base. So this one really sets your base nicely, and it gives a matte finish. So yeah, this is a really great loose powder. This one is a bit pricey and it retails for 556 rupees, but for the quantity and the quality I think it's worth it. So you should definitely try this one. So if you think that loose powder would be a little pricey, then you can definitely try this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, and this one retails for 169 rupees, and this also gives a very nice coverage. So, and also this works great for setting your base. So if you're looking for something affordable, then you can surely try this one as well. So next one is this Wet n Wild Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. So this one is a great setting spray if you are looking for something affordable and if you are a beginner also, then ये बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है. Like ये इतने अच्छे से आपका पूरा बेस सेट कर देता है and your base lasts for so long. It retails for 499 rupees. So I think for the quantity it is a little expensive, but for the quality I think it's worth trying this product. So next we have is this Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter, and this one is in the shade Molten Gold. So this is a really good highlighter, and for beginner also it is very good. This one retails for 440 rupees, and I think you should definitely give this a try. So the next that we have is this BB cream, and it's the Pond's White Beauty BB cream, and I must say this is like the one of the best BB creams. And अगर आपको डेली यूज़ के लिए कुछ ऐसा चाहिए to cover your blemishes and to have that natural glow, then I think this is a perfect product that you can have. And this one retails for 249 rupees, and the quantity lasts for so long. You just need a little bit, like 1 to 2 pumps of it, and you're good to go. So this one I have been using from my college time, and I would really recommend this. You should definitely give it a try. So next we have is this Maybelline Super Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara. So this is a really great mascara and it's super affordable. This one retails for 248 rupees, and I think which is a great price for such a great mascara, and also it's waterproof, so it's really very good for summers as well. Next we have is this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, and this one works really very good as a eyebrow pencil, and it also has this brush thing with which you can easily tame your eyebrows. So I think ये बहुत ही amazing है, and इसका pigmentation भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, as you can see. So you just need a little bit and you're just good to go. And this one is super affordable. It just retails for 75 rupees, which I think is a great deal. So the next product is this eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Wet n Wild in the shade Rose in the Air. And this is a really versatile palette because it has some really very nice shades, and you can create so many different looks out of this palette. It has 2 shades for the transition, and then these different age shades. So this palette is really very good, especially for beginners, because this one is super affordable. This one retails for 449, which I think is a great price because you're getting so many different shades, and I think you should definitely try this one. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful, and I have linked all the products in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Also, I'm planning to do a beginner's makeup tutorial, so if you want to see that, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the very first time. Thank you so much guys. Bye.